there any wasps in it?
There are no wasps. I haven't seen wasps over here since we got them.
Maybe they just chase them off.
We won't see any more of those because it's almost July.
June bugs.
June
Caught
bugs.
ourselves some June bugs. Woohoo!
Lick it.
No!
Lick it.
No!
It's actually cool today. It was so hot yesterday. Uh-oh, it fell down. Whoa. Sorry, there we go. Yeah, it was hot yesterday. So, I don't know, we took off about 1:30, 2 o'clock, huh? 2:30. Because we were trying to lean over and get our angle iron that we're using as our saw guide on a line, and our glasses were filling up with sweat so much that you couldn't see the line. You couldn't see, yeah, so we decided it wasn't worth it. So, oh, it fell apart, didn't it? That's what happened. We also had a storm that blew through, and we didn't lose any blocks off the wall, but those blocks right there that were just extra that might go up on that wall over there, they were in the field out there. They got a little road rash on them too, so it didn't do them any favors. We lost the plastic over our windows on a couple of windows, so we'll have to put that back up today. So what are we doing? We are, take you around here so you can see. We are trying to get our line cut. Oh, there we go. Our line cut around to get us our final roof line. So that red line, if you can see it, I don't know if it'll show up in the video, but there's a chalk line. That's what we would put our angle iron on and screw it to the wall, and then we would run the circular saw down that, and then come back behind it with the sawzall and get behind all of the uprights and everything. It works pretty good. Cutting that styrofoam, like when you're cutting through wood, the back of the blade of the skill saw keeps you straight. So if you start to push one way or the other, it holds it. If you do that with the styrofoam, it just eats the styrofoam. And so you have a nice clean line at the front of the blade, and at the back of the blade, you're a 1/4 inch off because it just eats it. So that's what we devised, is we had to come up with the guide that would help us. So we got a little touch up to do there too, because there was a couple of places that we either got high or low, and it happened on the main part of the house too, but which is one of the reasons that we came up with the idea to put a 2x4 all the way over. That's where our rafter tails will tie into and everything, so it'll be great. And I like the idea, but that was an afterthought, and it was because we had a couple of irregularities in our cut, and that helped us get something that we could screed the concrete to get the final wall height. So that's on the agenda today, is to finish the other 2 walls of the garage, cutting it to the right height. If we get to it, we'll come down here, finish cutting this door out, and get that set. We had one of these, I don't know if you can see it, but here's a brace. It goes up and supports the corner of the catwalk because that corner was a little spongy. Excuse me. We had one down there, and it is now on the ground with screws sticking up. We call those tetanus because they'll make you go get a tetanus shot. So we got screws sticking up, so I'm guessing that just fell out or got blown off during that wind that we had. Uh-oh. What we got?
Mouse. It's just a mouse.
Radar's got a mouse. Radar's got a mouse. Is he gonna get it? Is he gonna get it?
It was in the black pipe. It was in the black pipe, and Dan's like, he was tapping it on the side. He was like, see right now, there's no mouse in here, and then it went whoop, right out. So Dan and Radar are on
This keeps Radar entertained for hours on end.
And
Apparently Dan as well.
You know.
Dan and radar are.
He's like, is there one down here? Is there one down here? Dan, there's one in here. There's one in here, Dan.
Yeah, help me. Try this pipe. Can you dump it out of this one too, please?
I think the cool weather in the middle of
radar.
the summer has gone crazy. Here we go. Radar, look on that.
Oh,
The thing is, this is
More pipes.
I got 2 more pipes.
Dan, or Radar, go.
Radar, come here. Not in that one.
none in that one.
Oh.
Not in that one either.
Oh. Are you sure, Dan? Are you sure? All right.
Okay.
I think it's time for Dan.
Yep. What else? It is almost chilly this morning. It feels wonderful. It's end of June, and it was miserable yesterday, and now it's chilly. So, Kansas weather. Okay, we better get to work. This thing isn't gonna do itself, so here we go.
Build itself. Not gonna build itself, I say. Hey, was that the last piece?
Not quite yet.
Oh, okay. Just kidding.
Gotta cut the inside wall yet.
Oh, yeah, not even close.
That didn't sound good.
You want a new battery?
Yeah, 2 bars.
Are you just bound?
Yes.
Want to try it?
Oh, it's down here.
I can go get another one. You sure definitely could.
Can't see myself. I'm going through hobbies.